Hello 4th class students, my name is Rakprit Kaur and today we will do a new topic, the preposition, that is from your English 1, chapter number 23. Now what is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun with another word. Now preposition word is made of two words. If we separate this word, then pre and position. Now pre means before and position means place. So preposition is a word that comes before noun or pronoun. Okay? He lives at Agra. So at is a preposition. Now there are so many prepositions. For your clarification, I will introduce all the preposition one by one. Like, I have a box and a ball. Okay? Now ball is in the box. Here it is telling the position that ball is in the box. In is the preposition. Now if I put ball on the box, then ball is on the box. On is the second preposition. Now if I put ball under the box, then ball is under the box. Third preposition is under the box. Under is the another preposition. Now if I place ball here, then ball is beside the box. Ball is beside the box. Now there are some other prepositions. We will do them one by one. Another one is till. Till for the time. Till for the time. She had not reached there till 10 o'clock. Another one is upon for the movement. I fell upon the ground. I fell upon the ground. Into for the motion. She got into the car and drove away. Next is for we use for the period of time. He has been reading the newspaper for 2 hours. He has been reading the newspaper for 2 hours. 2 hours. Since for certain point. Okay. My aunt has been living in Goa since 1995, or you can use any year if it is confirmed, since we use for the specific period. With for the instrument. He cut the cake with knife. He cut the cake with knife. We use with the instrument. Next is among. Among we use for more than 2 or 3 persons. The cake was divided among 4 children. The cake was divided among the 4 children. Now next is at. We use at with addresses. She lives at Agra. Agra. By for the agent. The tiger was killed by the hunter. Here we use by with the hunter because by used for the agent. Then from. From is used for the time or place. He came from New York. He came from New York. Here we use from with the place or time. Now there is another example for your more clarification that we use verb as a adverb also. Like he came before appointed time. Here preposition is before. Okay, here preposition is before. I have met him before. Here before comes at last. So, in first sentence, before is used as preposition. In second sentence, before is used as adverb. It is adverb. So it is clear that sometime preposition is also used as adverb. Okay? Now there are some prepositions which comes with specific thing. Like if I talk about he is fond of music. Okay? New York is famous for tall buildings. Here, for will come for the tall buildings. Okay? Another example, wait for me. We always use for with wait. For with tall buildings. So, try to solve the next exercises that are given in your back exercise. You try to solve with them with pencils. If you have any doubt regarding preposition, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.